31. Jessie, who was treated for constipation 1 month earlier, comes to the primary care provider's office for an appointment. So, meron siyang constipation for 1 month. Biro mo, di ba? Isang buwan ka nang hindi nakakatae. Di ba? Now, Nurse Sebastian interviews the client and obtains information from the client about bowel function and the effectiveness of the prescribed treatment. The nurse determines that the client is no longer constipated based on which statement. In other words, alin sa mga sumusunod ang magsasabi na yung patient is no longer constipated? Answer here is letter boy. Boy is the answer. The client has had a soft formed bowel movement without straining every other day for the past 2 weeks.